In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can fix page isn't available right now on your Facebook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So if you're using your Facebook and you get such error or such message, that means that the page has been deleted or the user has blocked you. So there can mean many other reasons, such as the page is private or there are temporary technical issues as well. So what you can do is you can simply remove it from your background for now and try to open up your Facebook again. Check if the problem is still there, and you can go to the very same page or the page link and check if that's there. If it's still not working, that might have been that the post or whatever you're trying to look out has been deleted or the page is simply private. And that's basically it, guys. That is the fix for it. There is not much you can do about it. But yeah, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.